The science of Interstellar, NASA trying to test space travel using a solar wormhole. A series of NASA initiatives along with the recent video showing a speeding object plunging into the sun's surface has given rise to a wild theory regarding the space agencie's other secretive objectives. NASA has a strong appetite when it comes to discovering new things about space. Without doubt, the renowned space agency is offering valuable perks to humanity through what it unveils, but there's also a more mysterious side of it that's being cloaked almost perfectly. With that being said, NASA may be pursuing higher goals than those anticipated, and people running the agency know how to hide them extremely well. To clear this idea, let's highlight the event from 2009 when NASA went on bombing the moon for no solid reason. Because they knew that such an event will not pass unnoticed, the brilliant idea to make it public and even transmit it live for the entire planet to see took shape. It's true that nobody, except them, saw what they were hitting. There was no imagery of the impact, but only a fading boom. With this alibi at hand, there was no fear of public questioning or persecution, but what was the renowned space agency really trying to obtain through this? Speculation inside the UFO community hint at an alien observatory located on the far side of the moon. For some unknown reason, NASA decided to clear that out of the way. Several years have now passed since this event and guess what? The U.S. government has given green light to a commercial company run by billionaire entrepreneur Naveen Jain, computer scientist Barney Pell, and space futurist Bob Richards to land on the moon, after 40 years of absence. The Florida-based company known as Moon Express will deliver a lander for scientific reasons, but also a commercial cargo. If this doesn't look fishy enough, let's have a look at their next daring objectives. In 2018, NASA wants to touch the Sun with their Solar Probe Plus mission that's going to lock a spaceship in orbit of the Sun, and then plunge into its scorching surface. There's no denial this mission would mean a lot to science. The probe will complete 24 orbits of the Sun and gather valuable insight about solar activity. But this could be just another perfect cover-up for their real intentions, to investigate the mysterious black hole growing on the Sun's surface. NASA even admits to this, but the operation is veiled under a credible scientific reason. However, Swiss scientist Nasser Harman believes there is more to the black sunspot than meets the eye. In his acceptance, extraterrestrials are using our star as a gateway for interstellar travel. He suggests that alien starships manipulate the extreme forces present in or around the Sun to eventually open wormholes that link the solar system to the far reaches of the universe. So, could these black holes observed on the Sun's surface be actual wormholes that constitute safe passages between dimensions? Many UFO researchers believe so, and more proof of this has just surfaced from the NASA ESA Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, SOHO, that captured an image of an alleged crude sungrazer comet burning up as it approaches the Sun. However, the object traveling at 373 miles per second, 600 kilometers per second, doesn't seem to evaporate before impact. Instead, it can be seen while it directly impacts the Sun. Could this be a clear example of what Harman describes as an alien starship? According to his theory, such wormholes are not only present on the Sun's surface, but also inside every planet. He believes that once a civilization reaches a certain level of technological advancement, they are able to travel through space and time using optimal resources. This supposition would explain the large number of UFO sightings entering active volcanoes here on Earth. An advanced species of aliens would use the heat and electromagnetism inside planets and stars to open interdimensional portals that would propel them inside Earth's mantle or even throughout the universe. Could NASA hide these facts from us because the human species is too unripe to chew on this information? Are they slowly preparing us to face this speculative reality in the near future? Or is there rather a higher plan knitted by our governments and aliens alike? Could they work hand in hand for the greater good of humanity, or rather their selfish interests? Whatever the case, we seem closer than ever to finding the truth. When all is revealed, we can only hope for the best.